Hi everyone, I'm Nick from Benchmark Products, and today I am excited to introduce you to an essential tool for cleaning and disinfecting in hard-to-reach areas or small spaces, the Sweet Reach tool with padded ultra-fiber cover. Designed for isolators, biological safety cabinets, RABs, glove boxes, and other challenging spaces, the Sweet Reach tool with its custom extra padded cover made from our revolutionary Sweet Ultrafiber material technology is the perfect tool for aseptic cleaning and disinfectant application. Let's dive into the components, features, and benefits of this innovative tool. First, we have the Sweet Reach tool itself. Constructed from 316 stainless steel, it features a 360-degree double-pointed head to effectively clean corners and tight spaces, and an anodized aluminum extension handle that is fully autoclavable. To complement the Sweet Reach tool, we have a cover with extra padding made from the revolutionary Sweet Ultrafiber material technology. This cover is specifically designed to optimize residue removal and disinfectant application. The Sweet Ultrafiber material used in this cover is truly remarkable, having the ability to achieve up to a 5-log reduction dry without the use of disinfectant. Backed by independent third-party data, Sweet is scientifically proven to remove and retain residues, microbial contaminants, and endotoxins at sub-micron levels, helping ensure exceptional aseptic conditions. Its non-particulating and abrasion-resistant material ensures a clean and efficient cleaning process. Additionally, it offers unrivaled absorbency, holding up to 8 times its weight in liquid through capillary action. Due to the microscopic size of Sweet's ultrafibers, which are a fraction of the size of leading competitors, this tool excels in penetrating invisible crevices present in critical surfaces. The Sweet Reach tool with padded ultrafiber cover is lightweight and ergonomic, extending from 21 to 37 inches. Its 360-degree swivel functionality ensures flexibility and ease of use in confined spaces. Whether you require sterile or non-sterile options, Benchmark has you covered. If you are looking to improve how you clean and disinfect within your isolator, RABs, BSC, or other remote areas, contact Benchmark Products today.